This evening I'm going to go over how to replace a front turn signal bulb. That is this guy, and just to let you know, we have high beam, low beam, and side marker bulb. I'll go over those in different videos. Check my channel out for that. But we're going to do this guy. So we come over into the hood area, and that guy's going to be right there. Let me get you a better angle on that. And just so you can see the orientation and get your bearings, we have our washer fluid here. There's our high beam bulb, and then this little tab right here is for the front turn signal. Let's see if I'm strong enough to get that cap off. So here is the guy, and we're going to twist this. If you're looking in this direction, it's going to be counterclockwise there, and there's also a little indicator here that tells you which direction is locked. So if you turn it that way, it locks. Turn it this way, it unlocks. There's our bulb there. Let's go wide on that. So then we're going to take this and you press. So you press and rotate in. So you do have to line up this little peg. There's two of these guys, and they're offset, so you have to get the right orientation, and it's a twist. So you press and twist and get it on. It's an amber dual filament bulb on there. So that's how you get it out. I'll put a link in the description for this bulb. Then press and twist into place. Then this guy goes back into here. Find your orientation. There we go. So it sat into place, and then twist till you hear that little click. And that's how you do a front turn signal bulb on a Kia Soul. This is a 2014, but it works up to 2019. Thanks. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.